Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going on a fun journey around the world to meet some amazing national birds. United States national bird's name is bald eagle. India national bird name is Indian peacock. United Kingdom national bird name is European robin. Canada national bird name is common loon. Australian national bird name is emu. Japan national bird name is green pheasant. Brazil national bird name is Rufous-Bellied thrush. Germany national bird name is white stork. Mexico national bird name is golden eagle. South Korea national bird name is Oriental magpie.